Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasil Bay coming at you. Finna make this nice rebuttal for an unintelligent Ponzi scheme. Agent Chrissy Smith, League of Dads bankruptcy scheme. Ponzi scheme, excuse me. Check this out. Let me go in on it. This the backup brother I mean and all of other brothers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he is. Just let me get one more chance. I'm sorry. Nah, nigga. Highwayman is a bandit who robs travelers upon the highway. You can find that. It is not the duty of the police to protect you. Their job is to protect the corporation and arrest code breakers. To arrest statute and code breakers. Okay? I'm finna go on a real hard rebuttal. What did that say? Succinctly means precise. Governments are corporations, people. Artificial person. What I tell you about person and individuals. Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, possesses original jurisdiction, has ruled that no state can make any laws or rules that abrogate the people's rights or the supreme law of the land. You hear that? Ain't my shit. I didn't make it up. Now, check this out. Look at this. Look at it real good. Bankruptcy ain't got shit to do with your license, a driver's license. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Huh? What bankruptcy got to do with that? Nothing at all. Let me break down the words. Schemes. You know what schemes mean? Hold on, let me go back. Let me go back to the books. Wait a minute. Let me go back to the books. Okay. This is coming out of... Look at this. State and federal administrative law. Okay. I didn't write this book. But look at this shit here. Look what it say. It say administrative rules, not laws, people. Look at that. You see that? Y'all gonna have to go back to this video and look at it real good. Let you know how he's duping and he's running a Ponzi scheme. Look at that. You see that? Okay, look at this. Licensing. A license authorized an individual, we know what that is, or entity to engage in a specific activity. The statute creating the Automotive Insurance Commission might authorize it. Might. Did it say it will? You people gotta read. See, may and may not do, and will set forth the sanctions for violating the rules, such as revocation of the licenses. Check this out. This is where it gets tricky. Licensing schemes can be beneficial. They help to ensure the consumers are served only by properly qualified professionals. Professionals, somebody that don't know, people, that has to practice. So they practicing on taking your money. But such schemes also have costs. Look at that. Look at that shit. Told you license ain't got nothing to do with no fucking bankruptcy. What he doing? He setting these brothers up, putting them in deeper debt. You gonna have to pay that shit back. Real talk. That's what them lawyers, attorneys ain't telling you that. Look at that shit, man. It's a big ass rebuttal. Talking about he gonna pay me $5,000, $10,000. Y'all need to upload. Obsidian need to upload that podcast we was on. So he lied and said I was a goddamn paralegal. I said I went to school for paralegals. You know what I'm saying? Find out I wasted my time for that shit. I wasn't gonna be no lawyer's bitch. Look at that word scheme though. Licensing schemes. I'm gonna come back to it. Hold on. It's 5 minutes. Shit. I'm getting quick with this. Alright, check this out. This is a bid. Didn't I tell you it was a business, Barry? Business guys, dictionary of business terms. See that? See that? License, grant of permission. You see that? What does a grant mean? A gift. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Thus, a license is neither a customer nor a servant nor a trespasser, and does not stand in any contractual relation with the owner of the premises, but is permitted to go upon property of another merely for his own interest, convenience, or gratification. So that licenses ain't you, people. You don't need a license like the Supreme Court says to go from point A to point B in your private properties. Child support and bankruptcy have nothing to do with your fucking license, a conflict of interest. That's fraud. That's why I say schemes, right? License laws govern what? Activities of what? Occupations that require license, such as accountants, lawyers, physicians, nurses, barbers, insurance, and real estate brokers. Now, he's not dumb. Chris he's unintelligent, okay? He's running a Ponzi scheme, right? Check this out. False investment opportunities where the promoter uses money for new investors to pay interest and principal redemption. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That's what he doing, people. That's what that dude doing. Talking about he read. We all know this nigga don't read. What book he came up? He read Facebook. Look at that. A right granted which gives one permission to do something which he could not legally do. It say lawfully? No, it says legally because that's their religion. Right? Business or to pursue a certain occupation is riding in your personal property, business or occupational. No, it's not. Look, see franchise monopoly. Hold on, I ain't through. I am not through. License to operate, and that's what they get people on this word operate. But now they can't do it because the Supreme Court overruled it, right? Grant permission to undertake a trade or carry out business activity subject to regulation or supervision by the licensing authorities. License granted by government authority imply professional competence and ability to meet certain standards set by law or regulation. This is coming out the Barron's banking term. These attorneys are bankers, people, businessmen. Right? Now let's go to the federal, what the federal say. Right? Licensing schemes, right, can be beneficial to help to ensure that consumers are served only by properly qualified Ponzi schemers. Practitioners, people who practice on your ass. A professional don't know shit, only experts. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Let's see what the etymology on schemes. See, I typed in schemes. Watch me hit it. Watch me hit it. This is what it came up. Y'all need to do it too. Don't take my word for it. Take etymology words for it. Get rich quick. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that. The DMV, y'all. Crooks. They been crooks. Watch this. Okay, he was talking about this. Chapter 13. Right? What that say? Look at that. Chapter 13 cannot be used to reinstate a driver's license. You will need to obtain a driver record to print out from the DMV for me to review to determine the type of offenses involved. Man, look at that shit, man. Bankruptcy cannot help. Suspensions based on failure to appear for a traffic ticket. Suspensions based on being in a motor vehicle accident while driving uninsured regarding a fault or accident. These lawyers lie to you. They're attorney. They're twisting the truth. So you're going to have to pay him a fee, right? So Chris is a private attorney. He's getting $685 to give it to his homeboys so he can come back and do the shit. So just like Jeremiah Wright, look what he going through. Okay. Let me see. Let me look at some more words, people. License. This is what license mean. To grant formal authorization to do what would be illegal to do without it. Right? Right? Hold on, man. I ain't through. Bankruptcy. No, bankrupt. What bankrupt mean? What bankrupt mean? Huh? A broken bench. All you niggas that sit up there and did that shit, man. Shh. Look what the word drive mean. Active driving. He's unintelligent, people. He don't put up no books. He put up fake. He put up goddamn YouTube. I put up books, YouTube, all this shit. Look what operate mean. Look at that shit. Oh, man. What word we got here? Attorney. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. This for all you bros, y'all been robbed by these fucking crooks. You know what I'm saying? Look what a term mean. Hold on. Let me go back to a turn. Look at that shit. To turn over to another. Okay. When I say I'm going to give some people some good education, you're going to get some good education from me. I'm going to tell you, we finna go and put the nail on the coffin with this one, right? What that say right there in blue? State courts are common law courts, right? Right? Look at that shit. Who on top? It say Fed, don't it? Y'all can get Chris Smith, get all your money back. He got an EIN number, legal dash. You can put a lien out on his ass, on his company. You know what I'm saying? That's a wrap. Ponzi scheme. This is sham stoppers coming at you. Stopping the bullshit before it starts. Real men, you know what I'm saying? Holler at me. You, what's that dude name on that page? Charlotte Williams, one of them. Devion Chapman, talking about go get a vasectomy. Nigga, you customers, y'all niggas ain't hustlers. Y'all niggas is some customers. Stop being a pussy ass customer, nigga. Read, pick up a fucking book, nigga. Bankruptcy ain't got shit to do with your license or child support, nigga. You just dumb and stupid. That's all it is. You ain't gonna read, nigga. You can get off of child support. Nigga, you can unvolunteer, you can unparticipate. You know what I'm saying? I challenge any motherfucker. Hit me up. Hotel.